day is finally here. The nights are getting warm enough. The seedlings are pushing against their pots to get in the ground. Today I take you along to set up my polytunnel for a record-breaking tomato harvest this season. Before a single plant goes in, we need to talk about the foundation. In a polytunnel, plants grow fast and grow heavy. I'm enriching the soil with our liquid gold, which we made in some previous episodes, to ensure they have the right nutritions from day one. Good soil now means less stress later on in the season. For our tomatoes, I will plant them probably something like this. So the whole stem goes in the ground. They have the power to make roots, actually everywhere throughout the whole plant. I will remove the first leaves of the tomato plant. It doesn't harm it. And like I mentioned, I will plant it quite deep to make sure it develops a very strong root system. I'm also spacing them 1 feet or 2 feet from each other, depending on the variety. But it's very important for the airflow between the plants, especially in a polytunnel where it's humid, where there is a higher humidity as in the outside. So spacing is very important in a polytunnel. Some companions for our tomatoes. I will plant marigolds. I will plant herbs, basil. So not only in dishes, it's a great companion, but also planting them together is very beneficial for both of them. So planting basil between our tomatoes. With our tomatoes in the polytunnel, in the big one and the small one, I have taken a risk and I also planted them in the greenhouse, which has no side glass. But if I check the weather forecast, we don't expect any frost. My normal last frost date is the 15th of May. We are now, I'm not sure, the 6th or the 7th of May. I've checked the forecast and we are fine. So I planted them out in the greenhouse, here in the polytunnel and in the small polytunnel. Gentle organic feed now helps them establish roots quickly. If you haven't seen the potato video yet, make sure to check it out. The summer garden is officially underway. In 2 weeks we will harvest our potatoes, which we gave a rescue mission, and to find out the result we will need to wait till the harvest time. So hit that subscribe button, the bell icon, so you don't miss out the result. How is your greenhouse or your polytunnel right now? Let me know in the comments down below. For now, I would say thank you for watching, happy gardening, and see you in the next. Peace.